the Recording Rooms, a centrally located and tastefully designed student accommodation in Birmingham. This residence offers a variety of private and shared apartments, giving you the flexibility to choose between living independently or with a friend. Each room here features a large, warm, and cozy bed, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a productive study session at the desk. With natural light streaming through the windows providing a refreshing dose of vitamin D, stay energized throughout the day. Plus, the spacious wardrobe and shelving units offer ample storage for all your belongings and accessories. But that's not all. The kitchen comes well equipped with essentials including a cooktop, an oven, and a microwave, allowing you to prepare your favorite meals without a hassle. Watch Friends on TV while relaxing with friends in the common area and say goodbye to daily chores with the on-site laundry room. The University of Birmingham is within walking distance, and Mander Portman Woodward is a short car ride away, making the Recording Rooms a popular choice among students. For weekend activities, you can conveniently stock up on groceries at Hang Seng Hong or University Superstore, or explore attractions like the National Sea Life Center or Cadbury World. So what's holding you back? Secure your spot at the Recording Rooms through amberstudent.com today to embark on your Birmingham Scholar experience in the best way possible.